Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. We are back with new AI tool, this time for the packaging. Yes, you heard me right, this time for the packaging. AI tool for the packaging. Yes, in just a few simple steps, you can create mockups, render videos, packaging, die lines. Yes, you know how amazing it is? Let's start it with the login. So for now, I'm logging with my Google account. So once you log in, you see here is the mockup generator, 3D model software, die line template. Yes, what I say, it's true. So we are starting with a mockup generator. So once we click on a mockup, you can see we have a lot of mockup template like software box mockup, gift box mockup, box packaging mockup, and also cane mockup, t-shirt mockup, packaging, bag mockup, and so on and so on. Also, we have some option on our left side, such like all template, box templates, bottle template, jug template, food packaging template, pouch and bag template, can and jar template, tubes, container and cup bowls, apparels, and other. So let's choose customer template software box and start. So once you click on a mockup template, you can see interface like this. Here we already have a 3D model box. On our left side, we have upload image option, white cardboard option. White cardboard, we have a two cardboards, crafted cardboard and white cardboard. For now, we are choosing white cardboard. And after that we have a customized size like in inches, and once we click on it we can change it into a but for now I'm taking it into a inches and going back and uploading my image. So for now I already made one image in my box in my desktop. So here is our image. We just have to drag and make it for the same size as a box, and you can see on our right panel the packaging preview is already we have. So once we saved our packaging, see, wow, our packaging is ready. In just a few simple steps our package is ready. Can you believe it? And also we have a 3D model and 3D file, render file. We can see our packaging in any direction. Also you can open it and close it, like if you want to see your die line, or you can see how your packaging show in from inside. Wow, just wow. In just few click you can zoom in and zoom out with your packaging. Once you make your packaging, you have to render it or export it. But before that, we are going for the 3D tool. Wow, you can see that it's showing how our packaging looks in a real environment, and it gives us a mock-up like from the every angle how our packaging looks like. Wow, you can see our packaging, how our packaging looks in a real environment, and how our packaging looks in a different angle. It gives us some templates like multiple packagings are here on from right side, left side, and back side. Also it gives us a packaging like in a aesthetic manner. If you want to shoot your packaging, you can do that. So for now we are going for the render this video. Okay, so it gives us a jpg in 2K and png in 4K. Also it gives us a die line. Do you believe it gives us a AI file, illustrator file? Wow, like it gives a AI illustrator file. Also it gives us a PDF for our die line. Wow. And for the next scene you get a very surprise that it gives us a video render also in MP4 and MOV in few different templates like bounce back, side roll, and so on. Wow, you can see that in just a few simple steps you get your packaging into 3D and also in a 3D video. So you can share a link with anyone to see who you want to show your packaging. Also you can share this link to show someone how's your packaging looks like. You can share it from anywhere with just a simple URL. Yeah, on the same page. It's not free. Yes, it's not free. Yeah, We always have to pay for the good things, and this is the one of the good thing. You just have to pay minimum 500 rupees, or if I can say in dollars, you have to pay a $5 for a month if you take an annual subscription. In just 500 rupees you can get these kind of features like video rendering, 3D modeling, die line, mockups and templates, thousands of 45 plus thousand templates. Just wow, in just 500 rupees. Can you believe it? Yes, guys. So for now, I'm resting my video here. Hope you like my video. Please like, share, and comment in the comment section. Also subscribe our channel for the AI tools like this. Thank you.